Hello everyone. Today, I would like to tell you about the appeal of Round 1, a complex amusement facility that is spread all over Japan. In particular, at Spotcha, which combines sports and amusement, you can experience more than 50 different activities. In this video, we will introduce in detail the overview of Round 1 in Spotcha, the various activities offered, and preparations and precautions before visiting. What is Round 1? Round 1 is a complex amusement facility that is spread all over Japan and offers a variety of entertainment, such as bowling, karaoke, and game centers. Among them, Spotcha is an area that combines sports and amusement, where you can enjoy all day with your family and friends. The appeal of Spotcha. The greatest appeal of Spotcha is that you can experience a wide range of activities at once. From indoor and outdoor sports to the latest amusements, there is a wide variety of content, so you can enjoy it without worrying about the weather. In addition, there are plenty of areas and facilities to suit ages and interests, making it a facility that everyone from children to adults can enjoy. List of activities you can experience. At Spotcha, you can experience a variety of activities such as the following. Sports court, 3-on-3 basketball. Enjoy authentic basketball with a small number of people. You can play a match while thinking about tactics with your friends. Futsal. You can play casually on a mini soccer court. The fast-paced match is sure to be exciting. Tennis. You can enjoy tennis in singles or doubles. Racket rentals are also available for beginners. Multi-court. A court that can be used for multiple purposes, such as badminton and volleyball. You can freely enjoy it with friends and family. Batting. A facility where you can practice baseball batting. You can aim to improve your swing. Archery. A sport where you shoot at targets with a bow, which will improve your concentration. Lectures for beginners are also held. Pitching. A facility where you can practice baseball pitching. You can test your skills with a speed measurement function. Bubble soccer. A unique type of soccer played inside a large bubble. A new type of sport that you can enjoy while laughing. Big tennis. Tennis played with a larger than usual racket and ball. It's a game that's sure to get you laughing. Both adults and children can enjoy it together. Popular items. Roller skates. Enjoy skating on a large rink. There is also an area for beginners. Darts. Compete with your friends for the highest score. Digital darts are also available. Billiards. There are billiard tables where you can play in a relaxed atmosphere. Lectures for beginners are also available. Table tennis. There are many table tennis tables that you can easily enjoy. You can play singles or doubles. Karaoke. You can sing your heart out in the karaoke room, which has the latest songs. It's also perfect for relaxing after sports. Comic corner. There are many comics available, so you can relax during your break. You won't get bored even if you stay for a long time. Mobility items. Go-karts. You can race around the course in a speedy kart. You can also enjoy a time attack. Balance scooter. A new type of vehicle that is operated by shifting your weight. Even beginners can get used to it quickly. 9bot by Segway experience. Smooth travel on a futuristic electric two-wheeler. Pocket bike. A small bike that can be enjoyed by children and adults alike. Race-style events are also held. Active sports. Airplane. Jump on a trampoline and get a full-body workout. Great for relieving stress. Rodeo. Ride a mechanical bull and test your sense of balance. Try not to get thrown off. Mini bowling. Smaller than regular bowling. It's easy to enjoy. There are also lanes for children. Gun shooting. Aim at the target in this shooting game. Aim to improve your accuracy. Smash ping pong. Enjoy high-speed table tennis. Train your reflexes. Throwing hoops. Compete in basketball free throws. Once you get the hang of it, you can get a high score. Kick target. Kick a soccer ball towards the target and compete for points. Enjoy it like a game. Auto tennis. A machine that automatically shoots balls at you, allowing you to practice tennis. Kickboxing. Punch and kick at a punching bag, perfect for relieving stress. There are also lectures for beginners. Slackline. A balancing sport like tightrope. Walking that will strengthen your core. Badminton. Enjoy everything from light exercise to full-scale matches. Doubles matches are also available. Extreme sports. Roller skating. Enjoy speed on a dedicated skating rink. Racing events are also held. Inline skating. Fully equipped for beginners to enjoy. Acrobatic techniques are also possible. Archery shooting. Archery. Shoot arrows at a target and test your concentration. Air gun shooting. Test your shooting skills at the shooting range. Competitive models are also available. Ball sports. Batting center. A must-see for baseball fans. Hit the ball with a spectacular pitching machine. Pitching practice. Improve your form while measuring the speed of your pitches. Kick target. Aim for the goal with a soccer free kick. You can also compete against each other in a competitive format. Physical activities. Trampoline. Have fun exercising while bouncing. Bouldering, use your strength and sense of balance to climb the wall. Beginner routes are also available. Rodeo machine, try to maintain your balance and not get thrown off. Entertainment and relaxation. Karaoke, perfect for relaxing after sports. The latest songs are also available. Billiards, a popular game that you can enjoy with an adult atmosphere. Darts, a skill game that you can easily enjoy. Aim for a high score. Game center and crane game. Crane game, you may be able to get stuffed. Toys, of popular characters and prizes. Retro game, play nostalgic arcade games. You can also play against friends. Preparations and precautions before visiting. Business hours and fee system. Round 1's business hours vary depending on the store, but some stores are open 24 hours a day, so you can play even late at night. The fee system at Spotcha is generally based on time: 3 hours, 6 hours, free time, etc. The fee differs between weekdays and holidays, so check the official website in advance. How to make a reservation and what to bring. Reservations are generally not required, but it may get crowded on holidays and during busy periods, so it is a good idea to check the crowd situation in advance. Bring comfortable clothes, non-slip shoes, and a sweat towel to enjoy the facility comfortably. Summary: Round 1 is a unique amusement facility in Japan, where you can enjoy sports, games, and entertainment all at once. At Spotcha in particular, you can experience over 50 different activities, and create the best memories with your friends and family. If you are traveling to Japan, be sure to visit Round 1. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to introduce fun spots in Japan, so please look forward to it. Thank you for watching.